Hi everyone, my name is Yadu Paurel. I am the tutor at Intensive Tutorial Service. This tutorial clip is about different types of numbers and their sets. When people invented numbers, in the beginning they didn't invent all different types of numbers. They invented different types of numbers according to the necessity, according to the need they felt they had. In the beginning, they invented uh, natural numbers, that is counting numbers. They had to count how many objects they had. So we start with counting numbers or natural numbers. Natural numbers are basically counting numbers. They are used for the purpose of counting. Counting numbers. And the set of natural numbers or counting numbers is denoted by n. So n equals, we start counting numbers with 1. This is a set of counting numbers, set of natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called counting numbers or natural numbers. 0 is not used there. Then comes whole numbers. Whole numbers include all the natural numbers and one more number extra, that is 0. It means the set of whole numbers which is denoted by W equals, we start with 0, then all the natural numbers come here. So if we compare the set of natural numbers and set of whole numbers, obviously set of whole numbers is bigger set because it contains all the elements of natural numbers and one more extra, that is 0. Then comes integers. Set of integers denoted by I or Z. Some people use I and some people use Z. Anyone we can use. Then Z equals all the whole numbers and their negatives. It means all the counting numbers, say for example 1, 2, 3 and it goes on, and before that counting numbers 0 is there and their negatives of all these numbers. Negative of 0 is meaningless, it has no value, whether plus 0 or minus 0 is the same thing, so we don't have to include minus 0. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Integers include all the whole numbers and their negatives. It means set of integers denoted by I or Z equals. So in the middle there is 0. After 0, all the positive integers, that is whole numbers, 1, 2, 3, and it goes on. And on the left hand side of this 0, negatives of these, -1, -2, -3, it goes on. So integers or the set of integers is again bigger than the set of whole numbers. Set of integers include set of whole numbers, and again set of whole numbers include set of natural numbers. So among n, w and z, z is the biggest one. Then comes rational numbers. Rational numbers include all these numbers which we discussed earlier, that is all the integers, all the whole numbers, all the natural numbers, and some more. So how are we going to define rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p belongs to integer, z, q also belongs to z, but q cannot be 0. It means the denominator cannot be 0. If denominator is 0, then its value is undefined. So any number that can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers and q cannot be 0. For an example, 5 can be written in the form of p by q, that is 5 by 1, where 5 is also integer, 1 is also integer. So 5 is a rational number. -8, this is also an integer as well as rational number, because it can be written in the form of -8 by 1. 2 by 3, this is another rational number which is in the form of p by q. This is p, this is q. But this 2 by 3 is neither of these: natural number, whole number, integer. So rational numbers include all the natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers, and more numbers like this: 2 by 3, 1 by 8, and so on.